Hello friends, today I will be discussing about the process developed for the kilogram scale synthesis of molecule Picoxystrobin. Here is the chemical structure for the molecule. This is a fungicide. This molecule was first time developed by Syngenta and currently it is commercialized by DuPont. So here is the overall synthetic route. In next few slides I will be discussing each step of these reactions in more details. So they started with this isochromanone molecule, approximately you can see 600 gram they started with, and they used this trimethyl orthoformate to get this intermediate 3, which was converted into this benzyl chloride derivative by using several steps without isolating those intermediates. And in the last step they have performed one base mediated substitution reaction using this hydroxypyridine molecule to get this final molecule 1 kilogram. Now let's see the each steps in little more details. You can see first step, the best result they got when they used 10 equivalent of this trimethyl orthoformate in methanol solvent at 40 Celsius temperature. That time they got this desired product with 90% yield. Here some other byproducts were forming when they used different conditions like less equivalent of this reagent or different solvent like DCM, DMF or THF, acetonitrile, these kind of solvents. And in this case, they have used this BF382O Lewis acid as catalyst, but during this step optimization, they used 0.5 equivalent. So later they optimized the quantity of that Lewis acid and they found when they used 1 equivalent they got the best yield. Next they converted that intermediate 3 into intermediate 4 in this sequence, like when that intermediate 3 already they used that BF382O, so they just distilled out that BF382O and they got the intermediate 16, and without isolating that intermediate they introduced thionyl chloride and refluxed, and after that they eliminated that thionyl chloride also by evaporation and added methanol. So you can see here a ring opening happened followed by that alcohol converted into the chloride to give this intermediate 4. Now in the final step, base mediated displacement reaction, chloride displacement reaction they performed, and they got the best yield when they used potassium carbonate as base in DMF solvent, 70 degrees Celsius temperature. They got 95% yield. So here they, after the reaction, they isolated the crude material by regular workup process, and after evaporating the solvent they got the crude solid. That one they dissolved in methanol under heating condition 60 temperature, and when they cooled that solution at negative 5 degrees Celsius they got the crystallized product. 1 kg material they obtained with purity more than 99% HPLC purity. Thank you.